Question 9 is 3 marks. The question says, in a sale, all normal prices are reduced by 15%. The sale price of a dishwasher is 612 Swiss francs. Work out the normal price of the dishwasher. This is reverse percentages question. You can pause the video and try to solve it. Now, this is very important part. Normal prices are reduced by 15%. So if someone wants to buy anything, they will pay 15% less. So instead of paying 100%, you will pay 100% minus 15% because it's reduced by 15%. So people will pay 85%. That's very good. Now, the sale price of a dishwasher is 612. Someone went there and he said, oh, I want to buy the dishwasher. So he paid 612. What percent is this 612? It's 85%. Now, the question says, work out the normal price. The normal price is the price without this 15. So it's 100%. We need to know how much is 100%. There are many different ways to do the reverse percentages. The best way is this, I think it's this. First, find 1%. So if we divide here by 85, 85% divided by 85 is 1%. So do the same here. Divide 612 by 85. So 612 divided by 85, it gives you 7.2. That means 1% is 7.2. And the question wants you to find 100%, so you multiply by 100. 1% times 100 is 100. 7.2 times 100 is the answer. It's 720 Swiss francs. So what's the normal price? It's 720. And that's your 3 marks. How easy? Did you get it? Alright, now let's look at question 10. A straight line